Now see inertia. What is inertia? Inertia, it is inability of a body to change by itself its state of rest or state of uniform motion along a straight line is called inertia of the body. It means if any object is at rest, it will remain at rest. If it is in motion, it continues to be in motion. For example, if you are taking inertia, that is the different types of inertia. So, we can write here 3 types of inertia. First one is inertia of rest. Now, see what is inertia of rest. Suppose you are standing inside a bus and bus suddenly starts moving. You feel jerk backward. That is because of the inertia of the rest. Similarly, we can take inertia of motion. Inertia of motion. So, inertia of motion, suppose bus is moving and suddenly driver applies brakes. The passenger who is standing there or who is sitting on the seats, he feels jerk in forward direction. That is actually because of the inertia of motion. Third one is inertia of direction. Inertia of direction. Inertia of direction means if the body is suppose moving, you can take this example like in a car. If you are moving in a straight line and suddenly you take turn, so you feel or you tend to move outward because you have tendency to move in a straight line, and if the car is taking turn, that is in a circular path, then you have tendency to move in a straight line. Because of that, you will be moving in outward direction. That is also the inertia of direction. So, inertia can be 3 types: inertia of rest, inertia of motion and inertia of direction.